A warm welcome to AD4 TV Radio News Updates, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital territory. I am Gracious Ogun. The Prime Minister of Armenia, Nikol Pashinyan, and his family this Monday tested positive for the coronavirus. The Prime Minister, however, said he has no visible symptoms of the virus and will be working from home. Armenia has so far reported 9,492 cases of the virus and 139 deaths. The Japanese city of Yamato this Monday submitted a bill to its assembly to stop people from using their phones while walking. According to a city official, Masaki Yasumi, this has become necessary because the rapid increase in the number of people using smartphones has led to an increase in accidents. Russia and Saudi Arabia are in talks over the possible supply of Avifavir, a new treatment for COVID-19 developed in Russia. Chief Executive of the Russian Direct Investment Fund, Kirill Dmitriev, says the drug showed high efficacy in treating patients with coronavirus during clinical trials and has been registered and certified by the Ministry of Health in Russia. Saudi Arabia has expressed interest in starting clinical trials. Meanwhile, Russia is set to unveil the new drug at a virtual press conference in Moscow this Monday. Iran will continue to send fuel shipments to Venezuela despite criticisms from the United States of America over trade relations between the two countries. Iran's foreign ministry spokesman Abbas Mousavi has said both countries are under U.S. sanctions. However, Washington has been monitoring the original supply and has warned governments, seaports, shippers, and issuers that they could face measures for aiding the Iranian tankers. India has become the seventh most infected country worldwide, with more than 190,000 coronavirus cases, exceeding that of Germany and France. The Health Ministry reported 230 deaths in the past 24 hours, bringing the total death toll to 5,394, with new cases largely concentrated in 6 Indian states, including New Delhi. Rwanda has reversed its plan to ease restrictions after recording its first COVID-19 death and a rise in new cases. Rwanda has so far reported 370 cases, 256 recoveries, and 1 death. Authorities in Russian capital, Moscow, has eased lockdown restrictions despite the spike in the number of cases. People are allowed out for walks and limited exercise. Parks and shopping centers are also reopened for the first time in 9 weeks. Russia has recorded a total of 414,878 infections, 175,877 recoveries, and 4,855 deaths. The Executive Director of Victim Support Fund, Professor Sunday Ocheche, on behalf of the fund, has donated items worth $309,000, equivalent to 120 million naira, to the Ekiti State government as part of his contributions to curbing the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The items include 50,000 face masks, 30,000 bottles of hand sanitizer, and 290 PPEs. We take a short break now. When we return, 5-month-old baby survives COVID-19. Stay with us. Details coming shortly.
The Honorable Minister of Education, Malam Adamu Adamu, has directed that consequent to the approval of President Muhammadu Buhari for the funding of 6 medical simulation, research and training facilities in colleges of medicine, 1 per geopolitical zone in the country, through TED Fund, the facilities should include provision of molecular science laboratories with capacity for testing and diagnostics of COVID-19, Lassa fever, and related viral diseases. The Honorable Minister emphasized that besides ongoing research work in response to COVID-19 and similar diseases through the TED Fund National Research Fund, the research community of the Federal Ministry of Education should undertake any other sundry contributions in support of the commendable efforts of the Presidential Task Force (PTF) in responding to the threat of COVID-19 in Nigeria. He commended the initiatives of TED Fund in providing a special research grant window towards treatment or vaccine against COVID-19. Additionally, he assured the fund that the federal government will continue to support relevant research aimed at addressing national challenges and needs. Signed, Mrs. Ngoba Priye-Briggs, Director, Public Affairs for the Executive Secretary.
You're welcome back. You're watching AD4 TV Radio News Updates. A 5-month-old baby from Brazil is due to be discharged from the hospital after spending a month in an induced coma due to COVID-19. According to the child's father, Wagner Andrade, the baby was diagnosed with COVID-19 a few months after he was born at the Procardioco Hospital in Rio de Janeiro. He has spent 54 days in the hospital, 32 of which was in the induced coma. Test result conducted on Monday confirmed he is negative and could go home. Data from the Brazil Ministry of Health reported at least 25 COVID-19 related deaths among babies up to 12 months of age. That's it on 84 TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. You can join the conversation on our website at www.84tvradio.com. Please follow us on our social media platforms at 84 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at 84 TV Radio. Many thanks for watching. I am Gracious Ogun.